MobIR Air thermal imaging camera is a compact and powerful tool that transforms your smartphone into a thermal imager. Designed for both Android and iOS devices, this camera provides clear infrared thermal imaging, making it an essential device for various applications such as HVAC inspection, building diagnostics, and electrical fault detection. With a 120 by 90 resolution Vox detector and a 25 Hz frame rate, the MobIR Air captures precise thermal images, allowing users to identify heat variations quickly and accurately. Its 50-degree field of view ensures wide coverage, making inspections more efficient. Weighing just 20 grams, this lightweight and portable device is easy to carry and use anytime. It connects via a USB Type-C interface for Android and a Lightning port for iOS, ensuring compatibility with most smartphones. However, iPhone 15 and above users must select the iOS version for proper functionality. The temperature detection range of -20 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius allows for versatile applications, from home inspections to industrial maintenance. Whether you need to detect hidden leaks, overheating circuits, or insulation issues, the MobIR Air is a reliable and effective solution for thermal imaging needs.